If you miss us right now, from 8 to midnight, we're going to be right back in the studio. That's right. It's the Karen After Show. Cousin Syl is in the house. I think Tori's joining as well. We'll be right back. Love, a selfish kind of love. It's time that I realize.
Politics, lifestyle, technology, and more. From the African American perspective, this is Sirius XM Urban View, channel 126.
Okay, so in this video we have our wonderful model, and she's going to be sitting in the chair, and then we're going to be given a nice 10-minute chair massage routine, really fast. And you can add in an extra 5 minutes, and then you got a 15-minute chair routine. So you don't have to focus on every little thing, just really quick. So let's watch. Now for me and my massage routine, I usually use a good amount of cream or oil, but not baby oil or nothing oil that's going to seep and run down their back. It has to be thick, a thick consistency. So rub it up in your hands. And the reason why I use that much, because all her
Okay.
There's a little tiny muscle underneath the clavicle here. It's called the subclavian vein, or subclavius muscle. And it's right underneath. It's one of those pressure points.